Hi, I'm Jeff and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to build this attractive and practical raised planter bed for vegetables. Please follow along and enjoy. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to be joining the boxes really simply just using exterior screws, and the exterior screws are going to be on the inside of the planter box. So to prepare and make it easier to drive those screws and minimize the risk of splitting, I'm going to pre-drill the holes for those screws. So a couple ways you can do that. One is just with a drill and a bit. You can just drive the screws like you're toenailing, that's fine, but this gives me more control. So I'm going to just show you one here with a regular drill bit. I like to start perpendicular so that it won't skive off, and then work my way to the angle. Okay, so that's ready. That's one way to do it. Everybody has access to that more or less. But I have the Craig Foreman jig. That's just going to make my life much easier, going to go quicker. So I'm going to switch over and go do them on there. So off camera, I filled the box about a third of the way up with all of this wood that you can see here. So there was some materials I had, a tree that came down in the neighborhood. We're throwing old root balls in there. So that's just to create volume, so I don't have to spend as much money on soil. And then on top of that, I'm going to put a 70-30 mix of topsoil and compost. So I just got the first load, the soil in my truck, so time to get to work. So off camera, I loaded a second yard and filled up good level. Looks really nice. Ready to go. Excited.